Hey guys, today I'll be installing the E36 Hardtop hardware. It comes with these two pieces, and it comes with 4 screws and washers that go into this slot right here. So let's get started with that. So if you guys want to purchase this, the link is in my bio. There's 2 sides that are marked on this hardtop pieces. So we're going to start with the left side and make sure this hole is pointing towards the front of the car. So I actually used these already, so I took these off just to show it to you guys. So I already had my tonneau cover lifted so I could better access the mounting bracket for the hardware easily. So just put your tonneau cover in this position. So this is the left side, and we're gonna point this hole to the front of the car. So what you want to do is just slide it in the bottom. That you want to make sure these 2 holes are lined up. So just grab one of the screws and washers and thread it in to the hole. And then grab another one for the front. So you want to take your 10mm socket with an extension, and I'm going to be using an electric ratchet in this case. So I'll just tighten the front. And tighten the back. So it's in place. It's pretty snug. It's not going to go anywhere. And you just want to do the same thing for the right side, where the arrow is pointing to the front of the car. So we got the right side in, and it's pretty snug. And now we're just gonna put the tonneau cover down and lay the hardtop on the car. So on the inside, there's 2 notches that need to be lined up with the pin. So what you want to do is you want to line those up, and there's one handle right here that you just want to push back. It's gonna latch the entire hardtop in place. This is on the left side. You want to do this on the right side as well. So my hardtop has this one handle on the top. Just want to turn it and then fold it down, and you have successfully installed your E36 hardware with the hardtop.